Hey everyone, this is Aaron at King's Ding Repair. Today I'm going to show you a 2017 Toyota Prius front fender repair. Well, there it is everyone, the Toyota Prius front fender repair, done on site while the customer was at work. And I'm going to email the customer a invoice so you can pay it online. All done with no paint, no body filler. Well, there she is everyone, another satisfied customer with King's Ding Repair. All this was done on site, no paint, no body filler. The paint is still original, just like it was from the factory. You can get a hold of me at 757-876-8724, or you can find me on the web at kingsdingrepair.com. Look forward to hearing from you.